to support for adding dependencies in enumeration and interfaces. So this I'll use the same model, alias type test model, in which we already have one enumeration. So as you see here, we have the dependencies tab, and we can include as many as dependencies using this button, like any other UML element. Similarly for interfaces, this is the interface sub in which I have added one dependency. So this has interface base, which you can use. And I'll just have a look at the C++ generated code. So as you see here, this class interface base, which we had included as dependency for interface, is now generated. Similarly for enumeration, I'll show that. So we had included this class step as the dependency, which is generated in the C++ code. So that's pretty much about this feature as well. Any questions or any queries? You can ask me.
I have a question.
Yes.
What are the use cases that we need to have dependencies in an enum class? That was not clear for me. So
yeah, so one use case. This is, I think, related to the C++ 11 support. If you select an enum, we see that on the general page we have a possibility to specify a type. So that type can, for example, be a type def that is located in a different file, and then you need to have an include of that file in the enumeration header file. Otherwise, there will be a compilation error. So
it can be a class 1 alias as well, so which is simply a custom type, and we can add it as dependency.
Yeah, but it has to be an integral type also. Typically, it's a type def in that case to some other like int or char or bool or some other type you have. So I would say it's not so commonly used for enumerations probably, but there are some situations where it's needed. But for interfaces, it's much more common because it's enough to have an operation with a parameter type by a class that you need then to have an include for that class.